Good morning. Good morning, guys. So I gotta make sure I don't have no color on my lips or mouth or no. So we're gonna go take pictures. Well, babe's gonna go take pictures of me because there's a really nice rock, as you can see,
the sun come
that
out
just looks out into the sea. So I'm gonna try and see if Goody can go get a little picture over there. So that's where we're going. We're leaving today. We're just still trying to figure out what we want to do before we leave Ochi, because we have to reach back up to Portmore by 3 because we have an adventure to go on with one of our bro fams. Yeah, that's why I said we're trying to figure out what we're gonna do before we leave, because we have to be back up at a certain time. And yeah, but you guys, come on an adventure with us, okay? While we go take pictures. Just... It's not slippery.
Good.
Bomba. Could I even take a picture here, so you know? With all the greenery.
Vlog girl, you don't marry that vlog girl.
Wee.
Oh man, we call it man, see that? Yes, you have to take time to relax. See this thing.
Yeah, if I go down and hold me.
I'll be show my vlog them up there.
What? Okay.
Check on this. Actually feel better. You see how I walk on them barefoot to see all them one?
Okay, wait.
Step
Okay,
on that, the bigger one. Then the firm. Look one of me slip it there. Step on that.
Wait. I can't.
I jump up on the big something running from my park.
I can't, babe. Jesus. Okay, wait. Wait, no, babe.
I bring a cross, I'm not going to come now.
Oh my gosh.
Nervous. Man, dive and let him shoot. You think they're good as far as this?
Oh, okay, guys. We made it! Oh, God.
I want to catch the sun.
Okay, guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go take my pictures. Quick. Actually, let me just see that Ed stable. Yeah, all right, true. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that and come back. Okay, some soon come. Okay, guys. Oh my God, I'm so excited! I love taking pictures, like especially like scenery ticket pictures. You know what I'm saying, girl? So guys, I finished taking pictures. Now we just out here. Dave, say hey.
Yeah, no.
Still don't know what we're gonna do yet, but yeah, just taking in the vibes right now.
Listening to the ocean, you know? Mother nature.
Hey guys, so we're at the pool. You guys can see it in the day now. Joel, wait, relax. Relax. So you guys, Babe doesn't know how to swim. So I'm gonna try to teach him because he's like, he really wants to learn and he feels like he can't learn, but we all can learn. Like, you know, we're never too big to learn. I'm gonna feel like when you can swim, water stuff is so much more fun. You might have to drown a little bit first before you get to it. Me to drown a little bit before me learn how to swim. So I hope you guys can see. I hope you guys can see, but watch us teach Babe how to swim. Okay, come, look, okay. So if the one that you want to do, the flat one, like this, right? You see my feet? So you're kicking your feet again. You're not, yeah, but you're not kicking your feet. You're gonna kick it like. No, but I'm saying, look at my foot. You just kick it like that. Right? But look. Look. Look, your feet are gonna be going like this. Up and down. Like that, right? And then your hand, wait, relax. Because your form is, you're going before me tell you what to do. Come, let me help you. Okay? Now, your hand is gonna be like you're almost like digging for something. So your hand them go this so under the water. Yeah, all the way back. All the way back. So it's pushing. Your hand them, I don't mind the camera. So your hand them and push you and your feet kick at the same time. Yeah. You can practice it. Okay, look. Hold on. Lie down on my hand. Lie down on my hand. Wait. Wait, babe. Babe, I'm holding you. Wait. Babe, the camera. The camera. Relax yourself, Brendan. I'm in the shallow part. I didn't even leave the shallow part. That's why I said lie down on my hand. My hand isn't going anywhere. Relax. Lie down on my hand. Okay, just wait. Don't move yourself yet, babe. Don't move. No, I'm holding you. You can't go anywhere. Yes, you're in the water. You're lighter. Put out your hands. Put out your hands. Form them like how you're going to get ready to form. Practice your hands. How you're going to move them in the water. Practice how you're going to move your hands in the water. One at a time. It's one at a time. It's one at a time. One first. Yes. Now you're going to put your feet underneath the water. Put your feet underneath the water. Put it below and kick it. Put your foot below and kick it. Below the water. You're not supposed to splash. You're not supposed to splash. Yes. Now move your hands at the same time. Start moving your hands one at a time. No, start moving. You see, we're already moving and I haven't let you go yet. Because you're doing it. Wait. Relax. But look, you moved. Do you see how far we moved? You were here and we ended up right over here. Just from that little bit of kicking that you did. And so, yeah, because I'm holding you. But that's how it is. That's how it's going to go instantly. So all you have to do is just kick your foot and move your hand. You move your hands. And you kicking your foot, that is what's gonna move you. But that's what I'm saying. You don't have to have your feet up, your splash. You don't have to do that, because that's not gonna do nothing for you. Take your time and move. That's why I said let me hold you first, so you can go off. Yo, you, by the time you done kick up, down, put the water, that means that I'm on camera. Hello, you know how far the water reach? Y'all alive? Y'all alive? Oh my god. Babe, yes you can. Don't say that.
Take one joke off.
You'll get it, baby. You have to learn how to swim because I ain't gonna be the only parent teaching my kids how to go into the pool. Balls. Come move back. Move back, brother. Move back, man. Like we see.
That can make it worse, because you will.
Where the key there?
You have to move and go and do
You gotta lock out your ass. Oh shit! Oh god! Why you so nuff? Why you want to come out as soon as I'm ready to come out? Yeah, me idiot. Alright. Hoi. Alright. Hoi. It got hurt me. Sit down, go to yourself for a second, yeah. Alright guys, we're in. It's 10:30. I'm gonna figure out what we're doing and make moves. So we'll be back when we head on the road, alright? Later. So guys, we are heading out, just doing a last walkthrough. If this is your first time, if you're new to my channel and you are interested in the details in regards to this property, I've done a previous vlog dedicated to a whole room tour and all of that good stuff. I will put up a card up here or something where you can click to go and view that. So yeah, but as I said, the last time we were here, the amenities and like the pool and stuff wasn't available, so it is now. So if you're coming to Jamaica, or if you are local and you're interested, you can, I'll put the link to the Airbnb in the description box, but if you want to fully see everything inside the house, I will also link the video to the room tour below as well. But yeah, just quickly going through, making sure we got everything. Hold on, let's The door not go open, but y'all, I'ma miss this view. This is like the perfect getaway. Like, oh my god, it's perfect. It's perfect, brother. Far out as the eye can see. Okay. How could people not love paradise? Jesus. Jeez. Let's go. Far out. Jeez. Jeez. Quarter, people. Quarter. Jeez. Amazing, bruh. So yeah. Take out my last minute stuff. Brought my tripod and everything. Didn't even record. Y'all ever love a place where you're just like so sad to go? That's how I feel right now. That's how I feel right now. Tell us something here, go jerk somebody in their foot. You have a key? Oh god, I'm gonna be shitty. Anyways, y'all, toodaloos. Until next time, because there will be a next time. So until next time. So guys, my husband just brought me my dinner. The time right now, let me tell him the time. 4:06 in the afternoon, okay? Or in the evening. But anyways, my husband just brought me dinner. I want him to explanation what he created, you guys, but it's some sort of chicken. He cooked it in he cooked the chicken in y'all don't pop my hair, okay? But he cooked the chicken. Okay, see the chef here. Please to tell them what is on the menu for today.
What are you telling them?
Well, how did you prepare the chicken? You prepared it in a limeade sauce. First. You prepared it in a limeade sauce.
No, I fried first.
Okay, talk.
And I fried brown until you brown it, and then cook spoon. Drop in the limeade sauce.
The limeade juice
sauce. But first, after you fry the kind of put everything in the season, stir it with the flour, you have to stir style. Then you add the limeade juice, and then you add green peas. The Reese's again, skeleton onion thyme, and then we put apple slices.
Here are the apple slices, as you can see, guys. So he got very creative. He said he wanted to make chicken today, but we're so tired of chicken. So he was trying to reinvent and figure out something new. So yeah, not to mention we've been watching a lot of cooking series and stuff.
About the rice.
So, okay, tell them about the rice, babe.
Milk with mixed vegetables. Yes, and I'll put them in coconut milk, coconut juice.
Okay. There you have it. Them say happy life still. So yeah, I'm gonna taste this. Okay, so I'm gonna taste this, y'all. I don't really like mixing like fruits with, you know what I mean, but you know, every now and again you have to get a little festivity and stuff like that. So let's see. I mean, I'm a husband, him cook for me. I know him can cook, so yeah. Plantain. But taste the gravy. I look about can't taste the limeade still. Another gravy. I should have took my picture for the gram before I mash up my rice, but oh well. I'm gonna taste the rice. Y'all want piece? Let me taste the first one, the pie one, in case. Okay. Chicken. Chicken, please. Can I drink limeade and I eat limeade? So the limeade definitely gave it like a different flavor. It still tastes like chicken, but it gave it like a different. It gave it like a different.
I know what
me taste the apple. I really one good apple you take out of my pack of apple. I don't really like the apple too much. Because this isn't traditional apple. Yeah, maybe it would have tasted better with like that. But overall, it tastes good still. It tastes really good. Anyways, we're gonna eat our dinner. Yeah, if there's anything to come back, I will come back. If not, see you guys next time. Oh wow, this is the first time I'm pulling out the vlog since we left Ochi. As you guys can see, we never ended up doing anything. But yeah, this weekend is my birthday. My birthday is on Sunday. I'm so excited. Anyways, yeah, so this weekend, this Sunday is my birthday. And also the last day of January. I can't believe the month is done already. So yeah, I'm trying to figure out my birthday plans. Although babe doesn't want me to plan anything. He's just like, don't do anything. But I can't leave my birthday in the hands of anybody. Like, I don't know if there's anybody else out there like that. Like, I just can't leave my plans in the hands of anybody. Like, I have to be a part of the plans. Like, I always have to be a part of it. I don't know how that's gonna work, but we shall saw. But obviously you guys will be there with me. And yeah, so yeah, but yeah, back to Ochi. We didn't end up doing anything. So the ATV place that we were gonna go to, they're only open on Saturdays. So maybe Saturday I can go in the day, and then yeah, that would be lit. But if not, I definitely have to do something before I go home, which I'm still not even know when that is going to be. I have to talk back to my boss today, because as far as I'm concerned, our lockdown has extended for another 2 weeks. And then it's gonna extend for another 2 weeks, and then 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 it's gonna be summertime, and then the place is gonna open up back for a little bit, and then wintertime is gonna come back, and then it's gonna be locked down again. I'm over COVID, y'all. I'm over COVID and all of its strains. Like, over it. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go eat my food before it starts getting cold and people start cussing me, okay? So I'll be back.
Long distance loving. I don't really see you often, but every time when I see you, I give you